And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their solar wall lantern for outside. A little picture on the front here. Nothing else really around the box. Same picture there. This side does have the company name, Solar Wall Lantern Outdoor. So let's open this up. Take a look at it. See what we have. So cardboard. And slide out our light. Nice. That's it for the box. So inside of here is everything we'll need. So this out. This is like the wall mountable part. This goes on the wall, and then this is able to connect into all this to make it mountable. You do have the solar panel on top, which is adjustable. That part is pretty cool. That's your motion sensor light. And then in here, you actually have a bulb. So they include the bulb for you. Very nice. It is plastic, so that's good. And then of course your screws for everything. And lastly, a little guide with how you would mount it, as well as some of the power specs. It's 120 lumens. It'll work up to 12 hours. It'll take 5 to 6 hours to charge. It's waterproof, and it has a 2200 milliamp hour battery. So we're gonna take this outside. We're gonna get it set up. We'll let it charge in the sun, and then show you exactly what it looks like tonight. And so there we go. We have this installed up here. We'll let it charge all day, and then I'll show you what it looks like tonight. All right, well, here is the light at night. You can see pretty well lit up. Now I can tell you this light will stay on for 25 seconds at 100% when it detects motion. And then after that, it goes down to 10% brightness when it does not detect motion for that 25 seconds. But this is what the light would look like all put up. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.